I'm going to go over a couple little boxes for DJI cameras and kind of accessories. This is from the company STARTRC. They both came in little boxes like this. One of them is the DJI Osmo Pocket. So check this thing out. So if you've got a pocket cam where it has the gimbal, it protects it, it has the stand, the battery, and it actually holds a DJI mic too right here. But that's going to be the case I'm going to use for that. But the one I really needed today, so you're asking, do you have it in here? Yes, I do. Look how nicely this thing looks. This is very presented. I am very impressed with this company. Everything that they've done has been very high quality. Look at how nice and tight the DJI Action Cam is held down in there with the frame on it. So that's got the detachable, or the actual detachable base. The frame goes around there. I never use that frame, everybody. But if you wanted to use it, all of that pulls out just like that. So I don't have any ND filters, but I don't see a reason why those wouldn't fit down in there. There's extra memory card slots right here. I think the actual thing right here has an extra memory card slot up here. So I'm running the memory card inside there. Oh, check it out. So if you've got these little mounts, the little thumb screw mounts, just toss them down in there like that. At first, I didn't think it was in there, but you can just toss it down in there like that. All your batteries right there, extra spare batteries right here. That works just fine. DJI transmitter locks in there perfectly. Everything is sized very well for this. The actual curved mount that I got with mine just mounts down in there. A lot of these mounts I've already have mounted, so I didn't have to use that, but it's nice to have it inside one case. This is something I recommend for anyone that's just running a DJI setup that wants to have it nice, protected just like that while you're traveling, and make it almost an indestructible case. These cameras are tough by themselves, but why not make it a little tougher? You know what? If you need to, put your little small luggage lock right down in there and you've got it all locked up, and you can set it wherever you need to on that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the STARTRC, Osmo and Action 5 camera cases. See you on the next video.